What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Thomas, and today, of course, we are back on the famous porch. It might be infamous at this point for yet another Palace unboxing. I mean, we are going absolutely crazy this 2024 season, and if you guys like to see unboxing content here on the channel, you want to see more, you want to say, hey Thomas, post more Supreme stuff, do more sneaker pickups, let me know in the comments down below. Show some love and support. There's a like button somewhere, a subscribe button somewhere, and I believe a join button for memberships. But with all that out of the way, let's get into it. Honestly, a beautiful day here in Phoenix, Arizona. We got the Indiana Hoosiers playing Michigan State today to go, hopefully 9-0 on their season. We got Supreme Week 12 on the horizon with an NCAA and Michelin Ness collaboration on the way, but we're not getting into any of that. Not even talking about the Formula One race in Brazil. Not even mentioning it, except the fact that I just did. What we're talking about is all the things I got from Palace Week 4 of Fall/Winter 2024. Technically Winter 2024, because Palace likes to be a little bit different. They like to have their separate seasons. Autumn, mate. It's an autumn season. Winter is in fucking October in fucking UK. Bros. Yeah, mate. So right here, we got a fucking bag full of goods, full of beautiful jersey bits. And let's just open it up and freaking see what we got. Move the coffee out the way. Ooh, order confirmation sheet. We got 2 jerseys, size extra large. The Pachinko jersey, which I think was a bit of a sleeper item. Not as much hype behind this. Subtotal was $296. The total was $335.24. Hoo-wee. Naturally, a Palace Striper sticker. If this video can get 1,000 views, yeah, 50 likes, I'll send this to one of y'all. So if you didn't already, help me out in that department. If you want a Palace Striper sticker, I have a bunch of them. Wish we got more Palace stickers. They do the sticker pack, but I feel like they don't offer the same amount of free stickers as Supreme does. I guess all brands are different, but that's just something I've always kind of had it. But okay, here we go. We got the all white Pachinko jersey. We're just gonna get right into this thing. Look how nicely folded it is. We have a really cool patch with some cherry blossoms on it. Looks really cool. Gold and blue embroidery. Let's get it out of the bag. This is white, extra large, Pachinko jersey. And let's see how big this guy is. We have Pro Team, extra large on the tag. And we got Padesu. Very cool. And on the back, Palace 24. Of course, I will show you guys all this stuff up close and personal. And I'll probably throw one of these jerseys on. Because I'm thinking, I've been buying all these jerseys from Palace, man. From Supreme. I've been selling a lot of them. Maybe I should keep one of these. So let me know in the comments which one you think I should keep. Is it the white boy or one we've yet to look at? Let's find out. Damn, the neon jersey. This thing looks like tripping on DMT in Shibuya. Absolutely insane quality on this print. Just wild design. And I'm thinking probably of selling this one just because of how crazy the colors are. I'm tempted to leave it in the package, but I don't know. I think we can get the gist of everything from this one right here. Throw it on body. They are the same size, but I still will bring the camera up close so you guys can take a look. But tons of really sick, cool art on this thing. Maybe we will end up taking it out because I do actually want to show you guys the full jersey, but I'm probably just going to try on the white one. And in fact, let's do that right now. All right, here is the Palace Pachinko jersey in white on your boy. size extra large. As I've said in the past, I'm 5'11", probably 6 foot in Tim's, 152 pounds these days. We've been slimming up with the cardio and boxing. Fighting weight, probably for me, would be like 135 if I was in the UFC, but I'm clearly not. But anyway, size-wise, it is a bit oversized at an extra large. Goes fairly below my waist, and honestly, towards my thighs. I probably would fit a lot better in a size large. And the fact that I'm going to keep this, I might wash it on warm, depending on, I don't know, it probably wouldn't actually shrink too much given that it is a synthetic material. I still think it could be very wearable in this size, but we went for the extra large. I haven't really copped a lot of Palace jerseys at all. Not ones that I've kept or thrown on body at least. But I think this thing is pretty cool. We got the really dope embroidered patch with the cherry blossoms, the stars, this dark blue with gold trim Palace, the Padesu katakana right here, which is dope. And then that Palace 24 on the back for 2024 or whatever. Kobe Bryant 24, 24 hours in a day, 24 months and 2 years. It's quick maths. And now let's take a look at the other jersey up close. Before I take it out the packaging, let's just admire how nicely they do fold up their jerseys. You can see the Pro Team extra large tag right there for Palace. And then the tag, Pachinko jersey extra large. Just looks incredible. So bright and vibrant. I love the 3D effects. The same exact embroidery as the one that I'm wearing right now. A nice mesh material. Very lightweight, very breathable, as a jersey should. We got a nice little free snack in there for later. And look at this back, man. Anime model, super sick. We got some pachinko machines. I think that's what that is right there. I actually have a pachinko machine, like a vintage one from the 70s that I've been waiting to like restore for 3 years now. And I haven't done it. Maybe I'll show it at the end of the video because it's kind of on brand. Holy shit. This thing is crazy. Look at all this print on here. Absolutely amazing. The neon colorway of the Pachinko jersey 188 Palace. So much going on here. You got 3D characters. You got a chandelier with like a jumbotron. It's got the boob typed out on the calculator, which you'll love to see that. 8008, classic number in the classroom. White piping on the inside. It's just white and dark royal. And then here we go with the back. Bam, 24. Really loud. It's definitely a hard piece to pull off, but I think if you did it right, in the right place, the right time, it would be absolutely insane. I want to just pick it up and show you guys what this looks like, just kind of hanging. We'll put it up on the old background right here so we can kind of get a better look at it, not horizontal on the table. What do y'all think of this thing? Absolutely wild. You got a Prince, Goku Black, just not too pleased behind it, but that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, it's 2 jerseys, nothing too complicated. We got the bags right here. I dropped a bag on this, so if you guys want to pick up this jersey or even this one right here that I've worn, let me know. I'll definitely consider it and hook you guys up. But pretty much that's going to be it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been your boy Thomas, and I'm out. Prince. I wasn't lying, guys. I really do have a pachinko machine stashed away in this corner. It does work. Look at that. Very cool. It's got the balls right there. You basically click this little lever right here, and that'll reset the balls. Click this guy down here. And there you go.